Hey everyone, Loren Feldman here. Or am I? Who knows anymore? I might already be a deepfake with better skin and fewer opinions. Does it matter if I use AI to replace myself? Would anyone care? Would anyone notice? Would it really change anything if I just quietly bowed out and let the algorithm handle it? I make videos. I make podcasts. I talk. I yell. I complain. Occasionally, I even have something resembling a point. And now there's this shiny new toy, AI. It's fast, it's efficient, it doesn't forget what it was saying halfway through a sentence. Unlike me, it doesn't wake up wondering if any of this matters. Sounds like a great hire. So why not? Let AI write the scripts. Let it record the voiceovers. Let it edit the footage and fake the expressions. It can replicate my voice, my cadence, and if we try hard enough, even my charming sense of disillusionment. Sounds like a win-win. But here's the question. Would anyone even know the difference? Let's not kid ourselves. Most of you are half listening while scrolling something more interesting. You're not hanging on my every word. You're using me as background noise while pretending to work. If AI Loren said the exact same thing, would you notice? Or would you just nod along, occasionally laughing and thinking, he gets it, without realizing he was a software patch written by a 23-year-old at Stanford? People love to throw around the word authenticity. What does that even mean anymore? We're all filtering our faces and thoughts into something digestible. If an AI version of me can crank out opinions without the migraines, the existential dread, or the aging face, that's not inauthentic. It's just practical. And let's be real, AI Loren would probably be more polite, less angry, less likely to bring up that time I rage quit a job in 1998. AI Loren wouldn't talk about the media industry like a bitter ex. AI Loren wouldn't alienate sponsors. AI Loren would smile, stay on message, and say things like, let's explore both sides. Gross. But Loren, you ask, what about the real you? Oh, please, the real me is tired. The real me is watching content made by AI influencers, AI music producers, and AI therapists. You think I don't know how replaceable I am? I have mirrors. I read the engagement metrics. Would the content suffer? Maybe, probably. Okay, definitely, because the content isn't just the script. It's the mess. The part where I go off topic and rant about how Twitter used to be better when it was called a blog roll. The part where I start a tech review and end up yelling about society for 10 minutes. AI doesn't do that yet. Could AI fake it? Maybe, but it's not the same. It's like watching a really good impersonator. Impressive, yes. Engaging? For about 3 minutes. Then it's just beige noise. So no, I'm not handing over the mic just yet. I may be cranky, cynical over it, and extremely online, but at least I'm actually here. And maybe, in a world drowning in smooth-talking, inoffensive algorithms, that still counts for something. Or not. Honestly, who knows? Maybe I should just upload myself to ChatGPT and go lie down. Beep boop. Subscribe.